Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to use shortcuts for emojis on your MacBook. So MacBook has a special feature or a shortcut in order to enter the emojis. So the shortcut is command plus control plus spacebar, that you need to press it together. Okay, first press command, then control, then spacebar. Let me show you. Okay, command control spacebar, and it will open up the whole list of emojis where you can browse and select the emojis that you want. Okay, now MacBook has a special feature as well. It recognizes certain keywords. Okay, and depending upon the keyword it will give you the emojis upon pressing the shortcut. Okay, let me show you. So I am going to write my phone is switched off, so I am turning my Mac on. Okay, so if I go in front of the phone and I press command control and space bar, then it will only show me 3 smileys. Okay, I can always go and select the other ones. However, for the first time it will show me 3 recommended ones. Okay, so I can go and select the phone here. Okay, simply double click on it and it will be selected. Now if I go in front of the Mac and again I press the shortcut command control and space bar, it will show me 2 Mac icons here. Okay, so this is how easily also you can use the shortcut for the emojis on your MacBook. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.